What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. I'm actually down at my brother's in Virginia, so I figured I'd give you an update of how his bin's looking. There's a couple worms kind of hanging out on the sides, so I just knocked them back in. So what's pretty cool is at his vet they have this ultra fine shred that they started giving him, so he's been adding that to his worm bin here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick fluffing, see how everything's looking. Okay. I was going to say I didn't think there was any food scraps, but this looks like a banana here. So I will go ahead and give these guys a feeding. I'll put the banana back in there. He has the pulp from his juicer that he actually starts making these little kind of food bombs, we call them. So that'll go in there. For grit, we've been having some eggs, so I cooked them off in the microwave to make them more brittle. I'm just going to crack them, bust them up with my hand in here. They'll be a little large, but over time they'll all start breaking down. And then just cover that up. And then add his top cover back to help keep that moisture in. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this quick video. As you can see, he's still many months away before another harvest. And hopefully the worms just keep breaking this down. I'm really liking how that bedding's looking. And he has a couple bags, so I'll probably take a bag back up with me to go ahead and feed my worms. Well, if you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.